A little hello and lots of love to all the Instagrammers who join our chitter chatter lives and keep spending a lot of love and lot of emoticons. So I'm all excited for a chitter chatter today with Hiten Tejwani about his new show. आप सबने प्रोमोस तो देख ही लिए होंगे स्टार टीवी पे, स्टार भारत पर, अबाउट द गुप्ता ब्रदर्स. यस, ये है गुप्ता ब्रदर्स गंगा किनारे, which is to air on 5th October. So I'm all excited for this chitter chatter and to ask him all about ये गुप्ता ब्रदर्स है क्या है कहानी गुप्ता ब्रदर्स की. तो आइए देखते हैं. Is Hiten here? And let's send him a request. Hiten is not yet here. So let me tell you that Gupta Brothers is about Ganga Kinare, about four brothers. And it is all about humor, about the story of the four brothers. And I'm going to ask him all that all have told me to ask. But unke liye, let's see if he's here again. Hi everyone. Hello Sunil, Mr. Alfez Ali. Thank you for so many love yous. Hello Siddhartha. And I think he's here. Not yet here. I think he should be really soon. But thank you Instagrammers for always joining in live and for motivating the chit chat by sending in your questions. जैसे हम story डालते हैं, जिस तरह आपके DMs आते हैं और जिस तरह आप हर लाइव पे लाइक करते हैं जब वो हमारे IGTV पे जाता है, it really feels exciting to do many more live sessions, and it is the love of you all that keeps me motivated to interview so many people. And he isn't here. I think उनके lunch break में time लग गया होगा. So let's just check where is he. And we shall start asking him questions. Hello Ajay. Hello Alfez Ali. One second. Okay. Ravi Rautagi, will you marry me? I'm sorry, I will not marry, but sweet of you to ask. Hey Ansh Gaur, hello, and let me check if he is here. Let's send him a request. I think, एक तो आजकल क्या होता है, नेट के साथ पता ही नहीं चलता है if somebody is online, not online. So let me check where is he and send him a request that we Instagrammers are waiting to ask him all the questions. So I'm just sending him a ping and checking where is he. Is his net troubling? क्योंकि आपने तो देखा ही है हमारे past interviews में कितनी बार नेट हमें तंग करता है. Though lately the net has been really good, so I can't really complain. So people, tell me how have you all liked the shows that are happening? There's so many new shows that are coming on Star Bharat. तो आप लोगों को कौन से shows पसंद आ रहे हैं? क्या आप excited हैं ये वाले show के लिए, which is gonna come on 5th October? Ganga Gupta Brothers, चार कुंवारे from Ganga Kinare. Are you all excited about this? The title is so exciting, ना? और promo भी बहुत अच्छा है. You all have loved the promo. So with your hearts flowing, y'all can tell me how excited you fans are to see Hiten on his new show and what all y'all want to know. विशाल जीटाल पड़ा, हाँ मेरे बाल काले नहीं हैं क्योंकि वो थोड़े ब्लॉन्ड से हैं और ब्राउनिश है, तो you're right, काले बिल्कुल नहीं हैं. IMMA Achindra, hello. Ranveer actor, hello. Patil Dhiraj Zero, yes, we do have chitter chatter sessions on my page so often, and I'm so glad to see all of you all here so frequently and supporting all the chitter chatter that I do. Also, let me tell you guys that this chitter chatter, in case you all missed or you all want any of your friends to watch, you can always see every chitter chatter on my IGTV. Besides that, also on my YouTube channel Shweta Roira, and if you want to hear it as a podcast, then also Chitter Chatter with Shweta Roira is available on Spotify. So you can't escape from Chitter Chatter, and I'm sure even no matter how bad the internet or whatever the issue that Hiten has still not joined us, he will also not be able to escape Chitter Chatter. because he's super excited like we were. And जब आएंगे तो पता चलेगा. आपको तो पता ही है शूटिंग में कैसे कभी लेट हो जाता है, कभी लंच ब्रेक में थोड़ा टाइम लग जाता है. तो तब तक आप और मैं चैट करेंगे, जब तक वो हमें ज्वाइन करेंगे. हेलो प्रदीप सिंह, हेलो प्रिंस अकील, MR जुहू, हेलो UK Chaudhary 143. I shall check your YouTube link, and you can also check my YouTube link, which is Shweta Rohira. Yes, Rat Lami Star Bharat is a new thing. Hello Ashish 4475, so happy to see you here. Divya Patel 4845, hello. क्या है ये अमित अक्षय? ये है चिटर चैटर हितन तेजवानी के साथ उनके नए शो के बारे में. Hi Pradeep, how are you? How have you been? So nice to see you join our chitter chatter. And hello Sonal, how are you? How's yoga going? Yes, clear climate है and it is such an amazing climate. It's beautiful to see the sky. और अब मैं जहाँ से chat कर रही हूँ, I can chat with you all and I can see from my balcony the beautiful weather. So I'm really enjoying this chitter chatter. Hello Mr. Sameer. My mobile number I shall give you soon. फिलहाल ये चिट चैट सिर्फ मेरे और हितेन तेजवानी के बारे में है, उनके नए शो के बारे में है. So let's just keep this chitter chatter to that only. Afzal _ yo, I am good and I'm doing very well. Rocker Kurti, who are you? Well, Ashish 4475, happy coffee day to you. By the way, people, do you all know I'm a big coffee lover? Like, I start my day with coffee, I end my day with coffee. Give me coffee and I'm like happy. It's coffee o'clock all the time for me. And today is the World Coffee Day. So happy coffee day to all you Instagrammers right here. Wildfire Inside, lovely handle, how are you? UK Chaudhary 143, I would have loved to add you, but today our guest is Hitain, so maybe sometime soon. And he's just messaged he's having some network issues, so he's gonna be here really soon. Really sorry to keep you all waiting, but I'm sure you and I are enjoying till then. And कभी कभी सब्र का फल मीठा भी होता है. वैसे ये लॉकडाउन में एक चीज़ तो हमने सीख ली है कि इंटरनेट फाइनली डिसाइड करता है कि हम कब लाइव जाएं और हम कब नहीं जाएं. सो लेट्स जस्ट प्रे टू द इंटरनेट देवता दैट प्लीज लेट हितेन जॉइन अस लाइव सून. Well, Amit Akshay, Corona is still there. I don't think even you should travel unless it's really necessary. Wildfire _ Insight says, I'm great, thank you so much, love your energy. Thank you, Wildfire. Prem Talreja 7, I'm good, how are you? Rocco Kruti, so cute, thank you. So people, how are y'all celebrating coffee day? Do y'all like coffee or do y'all like tea? Y'all can put in the comment and then we will see who are more coffee lovers or more tea lovers. And if you like coffee, what's your favorite coffee? क्या आप सबने डालगोना coffee try की है? It was one of my favorites during COVID. Something that I was looking forward to. And Bajita, hello. ठीक है, मैं हिंदी में बोलने की कोशिश करूँगी. मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी नहीं है, बट हाँ ठीक ठाक है, आपकी समझ तो आ ही जाएगी. केम छो जय चावड़ा, केम छो बेन? मजामा, તમે કેમ છો? And somebody's here, but yes, it's hello Shower Bhai, how are you? Have you started shooting again? What's happening with you? John Terry 659, you're looking gorgeous. Thank you, John, for the lovely compliment. Ranveer Rai, how are you? Rohira is really good and is enjoying the chitter chatter with all you Instagrammers. Okay, Wildfire says chai lover hands down. Okay, we shall also do chai, but today's coffee day, so आज थोड़ा coffee करेंगे. Pradeep Singh 216 says, सुकून की तलाश में तुम्हारी आंखों में झांका था हमने, किसे पता था कमबख्त दिल का दर्द और मिल जाएगा. वाह वाह, क्या शायरी है. Really nice, Pradeep Singh. Ashish 4475 says coffee and tea both. Actually, brother, you're right. I think हमारा वही हाल है. Coffee, tea कुछ भी पिला दो. It's all about the company too. Hey Anisha Madok, how are you? You're so cute. Yes, you're also so cute, and it was so much fun to do a live session with you. By the way, people, Anisha and I did a live session just a few days back. And in case you missed our live session, then you can watch it on my IGTV, also on my YouTube channel Shweta Roira, and the other podcast on Spotify. Chitter Chatter with Shweta Roira is all you have to type on Spotify, and you can see it. Hi Bianca, how are you? Om Solanki 453 says nice look. Thank you, Mr. Solanki. Safara 255, you cutie. Hey, thank you. Jav Chowda says coffee boom na पिवाए केम के constipation थई जाए. I think you're right, but अगर बहुत सारा पानी पी ले तो बैलेंस हो ही जाता है. हर चीज का हमारे पास जुगाड़ होता ही है लाइफ में. That's what we do, right? If you enjoy coffee, have coffee, but balance it with lots of water and keep yourself hydrated. All the Instagrammers, y'all are telling me to add y'all. I would love to add y'all, but today's chit chat guest is Hiteen, so I can only add him. And our internet is testing our patience. Today my internet is working and his internet is not working. But they always say Instagram also has its own divine time. So we have to just wait, and in the meantime we can chit chat. Tori 6912, hello G. Bianca Bhutani, good Shweta, it's always good to see you live. Thank you Bianca, that's so sweet of you, and thank you for always joining our live sessions. It's good to see you all always live, supporting my chit chat, being so loving. It's great. I feel really blessed. एक मिनट. Okay, something has happened. हाँ, there it is. अब मैं क्योंकि चौधरी, मुझे पता है आप बोल रहे हैं प्लीज़, बट मैं रियली आज आपको ऐड नहीं कर सकती हूँ. बट वन डे सून विल डू अ लाइव सेशन विथ ऑल इंस्टाग्रामर्स हु जॉइन अस लाइव, एंड मे बी वी कैन हैव दैट सेशन वेयर वी कीप एडिंग ईच अदर एंड हैव अ चिट चैट. बट आज के गेस्ट हमारे पता है उनको लेट हो गया, बट उनकी भी गलती नहीं है. इंटरनेट कनेक्शन, व्हाट कैन यू डू, वेयर इंटरनेट इज़ एन इशू. तो अगर मैं आपको ले लूँगी तो मैं उनको इंटरनेट लाइव पे नहीं ले सकती हूँ. और आज चट उनके बारे में ना, उनके नए शो के बारे में जो स्टार भारत पे 5 अक्टूबर को आने वाला है. एंड आई एम रिपीटिंग द नेम पीपल, बी एक्साइटेड टू वॉच हिज न्यू शो गुप्ता ब्रदर्स, चार कुआरे फ्रॉम गंगा किनारे. 5 अक्टूबर इट्स गोना स्लेट ऑन स्टार भारत. दिव्या पटेल 4845, आपकी वॉइस बहुत अच्छी है. थैंक यू दिव्या, आई एम सो ग्लैड यू लाइक माई वॉइस. So you can also hear my podcast. People, if you all want to hear my podcast besides chitter chatter on any topic, then please DM me what topics you think I should do my podcast on. Should I talk about one day at a time, or should I talk about something else? I'm going to start a podcast soon, but I'm still confused what. तो आप comment कर सकते हैं क्या topics पे आपको podcast सुनना होगा Spotify पे, and if you think there is something that we should talk about. Wildfire _inside says we'll have coffee then for a change. That's so sweet. Okay, there is an issue. Okay, there is some terrible issue with Hiteen sir's internet, but he's still trying, so let's just be patient. Maybe the time is right now for you and me to chit chat. क्या करिए, और कुछ नहीं तो इंटरनेट पेशेंस तो सिखाई देता है. ये तो मैंने 6 months में सीख ही लिया. I used to live one day at a time, but internet has taught me not to live one moment at a time. John Terry 659, your voice is cute. Thank you. Sheikh Salman 76, 10 minutes wait please. For what do you want me to wait? I'm a little confused. Kashek Will Nalam, how are you dear friend? I'm great. How are you? Simran Ban, hello. Bhabor Pankesh Bhai, hello. Siddiqui, Sagir, Rahmad, hello. Oh, Pradeep Singh 216 says happy birthday. Yes, my birthday was on 24th September and a lot of you did send birthday wishes, and thank you Pradeep Singh for the belated wishes. That's really sweet of you. Birthday month to chal raha hai and Hiten sir is here. Let's try going live with. And I'm waiting. Send in a request. Let's see. Hello, Raju Malkani. While the internet is buffering, let's see this time. चलो यार सब लोग दुआ कर लो ये लाइव के लिए हम चिट चैट कर सके उनके साथ. क्यों इंटरनेट का इशू हो रहा है आज? अनीशा मुंशी म्यूजिक. I think that would be a great idea. Maybe someday we can do a singing sound session with you. But today, let's first try to get in touch with within page one, which is not happening. Hello, Neha Wadwas. Hi, how are you? Okay, I'm asking him to maybe log out of Instagram and come back because sometimes even that happens. You know, I have done 75 lives till now. I was just counting yesterday and I didn't even realize that 75 lives are done, which is a great time. But each live was just like my Twitter show. Every show was different. Every live session was different. And every time we had something new. Like, look, today we are on time. He's on time. But the internet just doesn't allow us to go live. Is having problems with our chit chat. I promise I'm not going to trouble him with a lot of chit chat. बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चंस मैं पूछने वाली हूँ शो के बारे में और जो फैंस ने पूछा है मुझे उनसे पूछने के लिए. बहुत ज्यादा तंग नहीं करने वाले इंटरनेट. अब तो उनको लाइव आने दो. हेलो शरारती heartless underscore upe hey miss, why you heartless, why do you have such a handle? Kajal Panchal 6389 hello. Lalit Gautam Pandit hello. Jasali Samir hello. Suresh Sonani happy birthday, thank you so much for the birthday wishes. Neha Wadwa says good. Hope you're doing very well too. Vipul Thakur 1436 hello. So Anisha, when we do a live, what song will you sing? Why Trivedi 43? Hello, hello. And now I'm sending a request. Come on, you fans. Let's see how excited are you to connect and do this live chat. Come on, pray. Make the chatter happen. Finally! सबर का फल मीठा है.
Go out, go come back, go out, go. A lot of things happen. Okay. How are you?
So,
Sorry.
I am good. How are you? पहले तो आप अपने फैंस को हेलो बोल दो who've been waiting for you.
Hello, hello everybody. Hello, hello. Whose birthday is it? Your birthday? Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. It was my birthday a few days back, so they are still continuing wishing and making me feel happy about my birthday.
Superb, superb. Yeah.
So, how have you been?
I'm good, I'm good. How have you been? All good?
All very well.
Stay safe. Although I can't see
Yeah.
you properly, but yes, whatever I can see is okay. Because
I can hear you, so
yeah.
I can hear you. That is important, yeah. And I can see you, so that is the best thing. Right now, I'm not going to tell you to fidget anything after the long wait that we've had.
I know. I was trying continuously. I was listening to whatever was going on, but then I couldn't get it.
No, but you know, internet decides the divine timing for live sessions. I have realized that after 75 lives that कुछ हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. Finally, internet देखता ही decide करता है कि क्या होना है और कब होना है.
अभी क्या है कि सब घर से इंटरनेट यूज कर रहे हैं ना, क्या करेंगे?
अभी पता चल रहा है कि डेटा करेक्ट है कि नहीं है.
पूरा जैम हो गया. एवरीबडी इज यूजिंग द इंटरनेट. द नेटवर्क इज बैड. अभी मोबाइल नेटवर्क इज वर्स. एनीवे.
So tell me about your new show, Gupta Brothers. It's about to air on 5th October. Tell us all about this show that is going to come on Star Bharat.
Yes, Gupta Brothers, Char Kuware from Ganga Kinare, coming on 5th October on Star Bharat and Disney Hotstar, of course. It's a story, of course, it says the story is about four brothers who want to be, who don't want to get married. They want to be bachelors for life. It's not that they are against women. They have nothing against women. But the only thing is they're self-reliant and self-sufficient. Sarvagun Sampann hai. So they want to do everything on their own, and there is nothing that they can't do, which a girl does or which a woman does. So for them, a woman comes into life, maybe it will try to, she will try to separate us, or probably, things will not be the same as they are. So that's why we don't want women in our life. So it's all about that.
So you are the eldest of all, and your character Shiv Narayan Gupta is the eldest brother. तो
Yeah.
ये character के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए.
Shiv Narayan Gupta is the eldest of all the four brothers. He's taken care of his three younger brothers, like a father, like mother. All he's given them everything, and plus he made them self-sufficient. He believes that, as I said, he believes that if a woman comes, there will be problems in her life. Plus, the whole idea is about thinking. The thinking might not match. At the same time, there is all due respect for all the women in life or in the locality. Of course, the mother was a woman, so we respect women. And he's a good cook. Plus, of course, he can take care of business. And yes, he takes care of his brothers also. That is Shiv. For him, it is very natural that be self-reliant and self-sufficient. You don't need anything in life.
So
That's about
you
Shiv.
said he's a good cook. Do you cook in real life too?
Oh, that's a secret. I can make tea. I can make good tea. I can make Maggie. I can make eggs.
I think that is self-sufficient. उससे ज़्यादा चाहिए भी नहीं.
अभी कोरोना में बहुत कुछ सीख लिया, लॉकडाउन में बहुत कुछ सीख लिया. कभी कभी चिकन भी बनाया अपने हाथों से. बट या थोड़ा बहुत सीखा to get into the groove of this character because सब्जियां काटने तो आनी चाहिए कम से कम थोड़ा बहुत. So या तो थोड़ा बहुत किया, कोशिश की कुछ बनाने.
So आपने कहा ये गुप्ता ब्रदर्स को शादी मतलब दूर दूर तक उनको शादी नहीं चाहिए एंड दे आर अफ्रेड ऑफ शादी का लड्डू एंड इन रियल लाइफ यू हैड शादी का लड्डू एंड यू बीन एंजॉयिंग इट सिंस सो मेनी इयर्स सो हाउ डू यू रिलेट टू दिस कैरेक्टर
रियल लाइफ में तो अभी क्या है कि हो गया, अभी शादी कर ली हमने, लेकिन हम कैरेक्टर कर रहे हैं. आई एम प्लेइंग अ कैरेक्टर व्हिच इज शिव नारायण गुप्ता. हु डजंट वांट, बट एक्चुअली अगर रियल लाइफ का पूछें तो without women I cannot survive. No one. I think
so tell me
yeah.
the similarity what are the similarities between your character real character and real character
Real character and real character. Well, real character and real character is similar by way of they're compassionate, they're fun, they love. The family bonding is common. See, how much ever we try to act certain things, family values, family bondings, कहीं ना लगता है कि it's mechanical or या made up. But if you have it, then it is easy. So Shiv has those, and luckily I also have those. Family values are very important. Bonding is important. Love is important. So that is there. बाकी सब अलग.
बाकी सब अलग. This show is about four brothers and it has got a sense of humor to it. There's a camaraderie going on. So tell me some nice moment that is on top of your mind while shooting that has happened.
There are a lot of moments because all scenes are hilarious, and while we act and while we are performing, we also tend to we cannot stop our laughter. We are also laughing, but then somehow we control because there are characters which we see, and then the way they do it, it is difficult to control. The situations are so humorous, and I'm sure people are gonna die laughing. They're gonna just be laughing all the way. So there are a lot of moments. There are scenes in which we have to do. There are scenes in which we we see something and then the way we react, everybody is laughing all the way. So there are moments. There are good moments. I don't want to reveal much because then I will be revealing a story also or the characters. But there are things which are very 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 funny.
So all you fans all just have to wait till 5th October and then you all can watch his show on Aage Aap Bol Do.
On Star Horror, 9:30 p.m.
So, how was it working with Mahesh Pandey, your producer of the show?
Lovely. We go back 20 years. I mean, we did our show. Kutum, I did. He was the writer for that show. And Neeraj Sharma was writing the dialogue. So both of them are back again. And it is lovely. It is always a comfort level because we know each other since so long. So he also knows what I can do. And there is trust. There's faith that, and he's there. तो मस्त हो जाएगा तो एंड आई ऑल्सो इक्वली बिकॉज महेश है तो कोई टेंशन नहीं महेश के लिए कुछ भी करेंगे इट्स लवली
So, you've been shooting itne time se, but this is the first time a pandemic has happened. How has it been shooting during the pandemic times?
It is difficult. I mean, you have to be very, very careful because you cannot be on the sets now like we used to sit, chit chat, have our tea, coffee. Now, after the shot, you have to straight away go into your room. Plus, before getting on this in the set, we have our temperature check, oximeter, oxygen check, and everybody, all others are masked. We also have to be masked all the time, except for when we are doing our scenes. And then we have to sit separately. There has to be distance, which is to be maintained. Otherwise, all these things are there. A little difficult, but we have to take care. Sanitizers are there on all possible corners of the set. Wherever if you touch something, you can go and sanitize yourself. And room sanitization happens every in a day, every 2 times at least. After we leave, that time also they clean it. Before we come, that time also they sanitize it. So they are taking care, and half of the unit is staying there only. So people who are like staying far or traveling by public transport, they are not traveling as much. They are staying there on the set, somewhere close by. Only artists and a few of us are just traveling. So that's how we're taking care. A little difficult, but it can be managed. Plus, yes, we are working with only 33% strength. So that is also a little bit of hindrance because if you have full strength, you can work faster.
True.
But all said and done, at least we all are working.
Yeah, that's there. That nothing like getting back to work and keeping it rolling.
Yeah.
स्टार के साथ आपने इतने सारे शोज किए हैं एंड अभी भी स्टार के साथ आप शो कर रहे हैं. What is Star for you?
Well, it's been a lovely association. I am one of my best shows will be Saas Bhi Kabhi Bolti with Star. Then I did Southern India also. So lovely, and everybody's excited. We are excited, and we're just waiting for 5th October. I believe when your project is just about to, come on air, the kind of feeling you have that it started coming in because we're just getting close. Today is already first. Now 4 days to go. And, on the 4th day we are on. So just waiting and hoping that people love our show and people like it.
The promos are loved so much, so I'm sure they are going to love the show, and they've always loved you because I can see the hearts flowing from the time you're chatting. And so many people who couldn't join, they have questioned, man, will this go on IGTV? Will this go there? So I'm 100% sure the show is going to be loved like your other shows too.
Thank you so much. Bas, fingers crossed.
So fingers crossed. You have done reality shows, you've done character shows. So what is reality versus this? Like, how is it different? What is your take on it?
Reality shows, you see, you are on the spot, you're very spontaneous, you are playing yourself, you are you. People get to see the real you when you're doing reality shows. And when you're shooting, when you're playing a character, so, probably you are not playing yourself, you're someone else. And of course, there are there are cuts, and there are parts they show. But when you are seeing reality, it's real. The character, the what you're seeing, the person is real. You get to know the real person. Suppose you're seeing me in a reality show, you get to know real Hiten Tejwani. I mean, better. By now, everybody knows me, but you get to know him better. You get to see his different mood swings, his different moods, and etc. So that's a major difference. But people who want to see something different, that's how reality shows came in, and they're doing well. Only dramas, reality shows. So it's a mix of everything. So it's a good thing. But at the same time, people who want to see TV shows, they will definitely watch TV shows.
And we love to see you all on TV. So, yes, it is something. Now, I'm going to take some names of the shows and immediately you have to say what comes to your mind in one word or one sentence max. But सोचने का time नहीं मिलेगा.
Name of the shows. Oh my God, I hardly
Yeah.
watch any shows. So
Most of them are your shows only. या पता चला सब आप ही के shows हैं. You never know. But
Okay.
first thing that comes to your mind.
okay,
सोचने का time नहीं मिलेगा. Ready?
ready?
क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी.
Karan Girani.
क्या थोड़ा क्या हाथ था क्या हकीकत.
Pratham. Maybe
कुसुम.
Kusum. Kusum. I loved it. I mean, I forgot the name of the character, but I got it towards the end in the show. But yeah, it is a good. I know Anuj Noslin from that show. So lovely. I forgot the name of the
कहीं तो
character.
होगा. कहीं तो होगा.
कहीं तो होगा मैं वापस I played Pratham. So lovely.
कुतुम.
कुटुम तो प्रथम है, प्रथम और गौरी.
नच बलिए.
Natch बोलिए में Hiten and Gauri with probably two left feet.
करण अपना अपना.
Karam अपना अपना. Again with Mahesh Pandey. He was the writer, so lovely memories. Good show.
कुमकुम एक प्यारा सा बंधन.
I believe it was meant to be to work with Hussain because Hussain and Juhi Parmar, of course. I
क्या मस्त है लाइफ.
क्या मस्त है लाइफ. हाँ, लाइफ तो बहुत मस्त है.
स्वयंवर.
Sorry,
स्वयंवर.
I didn't get Kayamat. You said
या.
Kayamat, na? Kayamat. Was I part of that show? No.
स्वयंवर. स्वयंवर.
Swayambar, yes. Ratan Rajput. उसी के स्वयंवर का.
मुक्ति बंधन.
Mukti Bandhan, lovely show. Very brief appearance though. I will not say it was a cameo, but I love that character also. Vicky Roy, I think was the name of my character. I think so.
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा.
वाह वाह वाह. जतिन नाम था मेरा. बड़ा मजा आया. With my friend Mona. So good, lovely memories of that show also.
सावधान इंडिया.
Star Bharat.
बॉक्स क्रिकेट लीग.
हाँ. कुछ समझ
बिग
नहीं
बॉस.
आया. Big Boss.
बिग बॉस.
It was a lovely experience. मजा आ गया. बहुत से दोस्त बनाए मैंने. बहुत से fans भी.
कृष्णा कॉटेज.
Krishna Cottage, one of my first films, I mean, and lovely character, Sohail Khan, and everybody. I mean, we had lovely memories of that film and movie. There was one particular scene in which, our friend Brajesh Hirji was playing that character. He dies. And the way I screamed his name was Tully. The way I screamed, Sohail Bhai always laughs out loud of that. he always watches that. He calls me and tells me, "Baap re baap," I'm still laughing. So that's lovely scene. Yeah.
Mudda 370 J&K.
Yeah, that is what we just did. That was my latest release. Uh, I believe by that time, 370 article, nobody knew about it. We shot that film, and later it was announced that that has been into the, what do you say, that article is now no more. So what that article was. So it was a good experience to shoot. We shot in Jammu also, we shot in Manali also. So lovely experience. Unfortunately, the film didn't get a proper release, but that's part of life.
Lastly, Gupta Brothers.
Gupta Brothers. Now you have to wait for it. This is one of my favorite shows now because it's comedy, and this is the first time you guys will see me in this, role in a comedy role. 5th October, 9:30, Star Garden. Watch it.
Thank you so much for joining this chitter chatter and removing time and having the patience to fight with the Insta and the Wi-Fi. So thank you, Hiten. It was great to have you.
Thank you so much. This is actually, if I was home, then home Wi-Fi is very fast and it is like quick. But mobile network, ऐसे ऐसे जगह ढूंढनी
True
पड़ती
that.
है, ऐसे जगह ढूंढनी पड़ती है, इधर आ रहा है. So that's how I could do it.
No, but ठीक है, आपने manage कर लिया. We had a great live session when you joined in.
Thank you.
So thank you so much for the chitter chatter and all the best for your new show. Looking forward.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm sorry to keep you waiting, but
Not at all. See you soon and best wishes.
take care. Yeah, thank you. Bye.